It's another beautiful day. We're gonna start a new project. Dark bronze, wide bottom, 032 heavy duty gutters. We're gonna hang it on the gutter on the house right over there. It's a beautiful house. And we're gonna hang the gutters. Gonna have some gutters over here as well. We're gonna hang this piece here next. That's a long one. It does have a angled board, so we're gonna put some wedges. We're cleaning off the roof here. We gotta take the plastic gutter off. So here we go. We are making progress, trying to reach that pile over there. I might have to trim a little bit here because it's hitting the roof right here. Here we go. I basically just moved the branches over here and put a screw to hold them in place. That way we don't have to cut them, so I can get in here. Get the roof cleaned up. I'm glad we saved that gutter because it's shallow, so it drains in here perfectly. If it was tall, it wouldn't work real good. But yeah, now it's gonna go out there and out to the yard. Beautiful gutter. We are installing 032 wide bottom, premium hangers, and some wedges. This is gonna be nice. We're gonna water test, and this is why it's important to keep this gutter straight, because you don't want the water to fly over, because it will fly over. So now we're just checking to see where the water's gonna go. Lots of water, and the water is flowing. We'll add some more. Speed up the process. Lots of water. I just want to know for sure. There we go. It's draining out. Installing gutter brackets. That's how it's done. And one more bracket over here. Nice. We are doing this side, putting a drain pipe, and it's gonna exit out right here. That's a pretty slick situation. Gonna be a before and after. Here we go. Here's the gutter. Not Peter, the gutter. All right, we've got this adapter funnel, clean out, double downspout, and it's very beautiful. We angled the gutter to make it straight. Have a connection right here with an elbow. We did put some glue inside there so the water won't make a lot of noises. And we are painting this to kind of blend in the color a little bit. Downspout here. Clean out. A little tree here. Left a little bit of a gap. So another downspout here. And then we also did the drain pipe. Very professional. So here we go. Here's where the pipe ends. I kind of uncovered it, but anyway. So here's the gutter, and there's the paint. Add a couple kickouts here. Double downspout. And then we have this gutter. We have this downspout here. And that comes out from over there.